Hello, my name is Melissa Toppel, and you are watching the Home Shopping Network. Today, we are going to be exploring one-of-a-kind household objects that make our lives easier with a guy we like to call physics.
Yes.
These objects aren't your normal day tools, but they're designed in accordance to the function of the human body. Today, our first object is the state-of-the-art handy hammer. Stephanie, can you tell us why the viewers at home should purchase this item?
Why, yes, Melissa. This is the handy hammer. This hammer gets the job done. The essential part of the hammer is the head, which is a compact mass that delivers a blow to the intended object without disforming the hammer or the object. When the human arm applies a downward force and directed at the target, a vast amount of kinetic energy is applied.
And how is this kinetic energy produced?
Well, one could calculate the kinetic energy by using the formula 1/2 mass times velocity squared. And to say the hammer weighs 4.32 pounds or 1.987 kilograms, you would multiply that by my speed that my arm is moving and square it. In addition to the way this handy hammer successfully hammers nails, in order to be effective, the radius in the ulna and in my forearm make a half circle motion and the most force possible is applied. This hammer is only $15.99 if you call now. Remember, girls, you too can have strong forearm muscles and learn about physics.
Thank you, Stephanie, for that enlightening physical experience. Now we make our way over to Hillary, as she shows us the physics of a cell phone as it relates to the human structure. Hillary, please tell the viewers out there how the design and physics that go along with the cell phone correspond to human physics.
Well, Melissa, visually the phone's form and the way it bends to the center forms to your cheek, making for a comfortable cellular experience when you're having a conversation. But on a more scientific level, there's a lot that goes into a cell phone. No pun intended.
Before you begin, Hillary, I do have a question for you. How exactly does receiving a call work?
Calls are received in digital form, carried by electromagnetic waves, like radio waves, and their information is then saved in an electronic memory chip. In this chip, microscopic switches get flipped and their positions encoded in the data. It's actually pretty simple. And this process comes with no extra charge. Cell phones emit signals via radio waves, which are comprised of radio frequency energy. All this makes for an efficient cell phone call.
Interesting. Well, you viewers out there are probably wondering how you hear these waves.
Well, these frequencies are made up of many amplitudes or volumes, for those of you who don't understand, which travel through the inner ear and you are able to hear. Call now and you can purchase this comfortable, weight-producing creation designed by physics for like $34.95. Special birthday price!
Thank you, Hillary, for your expertise on a cell phone.
Thank you.
Our last object today is the Home Shopping Network soda. While you may not know, there is a lot of physics in a Coke can. Let's walk over to Stephanie to see exactly what I mean.
Hello again, Melissa. You must be thirsty. There are many obvious differences between a diet root beer and a regular root beer. The physics are completely different as well. While it appears that both cans have the same amount of root beer in them, and have the same amount of aluminum around them, and have the same amount of pressure within them, the density of the regular sugar in the root beer is different than the density of the sugar substitute in the diet root beer. We know this because the diet root beer floats and the regular root beer sinks. That we know. If you call now, for you folks at home, you can get the Home Shopping Network brand of soda for only $10.99 a pack, physics included.
Stay tuned, viewers, because next week on HSN, we'll be discussing the physics of ice skating. Now remember, birthday price is only today. Thank you, Stephanie. That was very intriguing. Stay tuned, viewers, because next week on HSN, we will be discussing the physics of ice skating. Now remember, birthday price is only today, so call now.